Hello children, I'm back with another interesting video for you. Hope you are safe and in good health. Now before I introduce the topic, I want you to guess what we are going to learn today. Now without wasting any time, let's get started with the topic. Yes, you guessed it right. Today we are going to learn about seasons. Now children, whenever you are asked to write a composition, you need to first think as what all things you are going to include in your composition so that it becomes more interesting and at the same time fetch you good marks. There are some important guidelines you need to follow before writing a composition. Divide your composition into three parts. The first part is the introduction, where you will give a brief introduction of the topic. Then comes the body, where you will elaborate all your points in detail. And the last part is the conclusion. Here you will conclude the topic by giving some positive and negative aspect related to the topic. Children, just keep this in mind that your conclusion should give completeness to the composition. Ending it on a positive note would be a good practice. So today I'm going to discuss a simple topic which is my favorite season, just to give you a clear picture how you can write a nice composition. Firstly, we need to note down the points that we are going to include in our composition through mind mapping, which you all should do before writing a composition so that you get a clear idea as what to write and how much to write in each paragraph. Once you get the idea what to write, it becomes easy for you to write a good composition. Here are some keywords that I will be using to write this composition. You can even include some other points that comes to your mind while writing the composition. Now I will elaborate these points and write a beautiful composition. My favorite season. There are mainly three seasons in India: summer, winter, and monsoon. But my favorite season is winter season. Winter is the coldest season that starts from November and lasts till February. The peak time when winter is experienced the most is December and January. During this season, it is so beautiful to see everything covered with a white sheet of snow. A warm bed at night gives me great comfort. Most importantly, winter mornings are the best part of this season. We can work hard in this season as our body does not sweat. I can even move about freely as there is no fear of being caught in the rain. We also get winter breaks during this season. This season brings a lot of healthy fruits and vegetables. People get the chance to eat apples, carrots, cauliflower, guava, and other seasonal fruits and vegetables. Many beautiful flowers bloom during this season. These flowers include roses, dahlias, and many more. This makes winter even more beautiful than it already is. This season is the best season to hold picnics in the open air. Hot drinks like coffee, soup, and hot chocolate are enjoyed more during this season. The essence of winter is enhanced by Christmas as well. It sets the holiday mood for people and is admired all over the world. In short, winter is as valuable as any other season. I agree that there are some downside to this season as well. The farmers and animals are the ones who are influenced more by this season. But I believe that every season has some negative and positive sides as well. But this does not make winter any less important, and it will always be the best season for me. Now children, I'll give you some related topics that you can practice at home. Like my favorite teacher, my favorite sport, and my favorite festival. Now I hope children these small guidelines will help you write good compositions. So do practice as many compositions as possible. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.